Yeah, yes.
It's tough.
Pelo ka pompa ka lebelo, pelo ka betha di screenshot.
Yeah, bomba di danono re pompa madi or re pompa botlhoko.
E bomba botlhoko, e bothosha ka madi. Go re bona. Eish. Siwelele se ska ntia so. Ape amazulu yetla, eno bona amazulu yela no I kora dikolo je dingwe na go lo tshwana le lena ka kwa next door.
Next game ke a.
Next game ke na le team ela maraba start. And it's not guaranteed to go well 3 points. So
I know that Marava start. Use Polokwane City's method. You're gonna get everything.
Polokwane City's method I have berekela because no, they lost 1-0 to Marava Start. And Marava Start you guys even to go abiyona go Loftus. So matata anamella. I'm no longer sure if the pressure is increasing or decreasing or is decreasing. I could say. But the boys tried, man. Siwelele came with a plan. Yeah, what the first half. They scored those goals and they made sure they shut the back doors.
Yeah.
So it worked for them. And one of the Chiefs, we had so many shots on target, we have so many chances, but we could not convert. Peterson tried to save us. But it was not our day. Really Bloemfontein after a very nice derby. Rayojia losing. Amakhosi losing, and then go back to the drawing board. We can't do better now.
Yeah.
The other thing, let me give Potsani a credit. You know, scoring against your former team is always something. It motivates you. In fact, I can say it proves your former team wrong about you. You gain that confidence as a player.
Yeah.
They doubted me. Now I want to show them.
Yeah, you're proving them wrong.
He did exactly that.
Now for that, I think Kaizer Chiefs came here being on tender hooks. They were very happy after getting a draw from their biggest rival in the country in terms of football, which is Orlando Pirates. But again, having to change lineup because of yellow cards and suspensions, I think is one thing that did deflect the game and then did give Siwelele something. But to be honest and truthful, Kaizer Chiefs played
very well,
creating chances in a game, forcing the keeper to save. It shows that you're playing, you are into the game. It's just that maybe luck was not on your side. But I think taking the positive out of the game, even though you've lost, seeing where you've lost shape, seeing where you've lost the ball in most of the cases, it will help a lot of teams. But at this stage of the league games and all that, now as a coach, I'm not saying PSL coaches should train players on drills, players should play 11v11. That won't work. You know, you need to players to gel along with team building activities. If you take them for hiking, it's best because of the players are gonna gel along, the players are gonna get along. Obviously, they're gonna perform. They know football. At this time and moment of the season, it's obvious that the players that you have in your team are gonna end the season with you.
Yes.
You don't need to do drills anymore. So take the players out of football. Take the players into a room with the video analysis of your team, and then analyze the movement of your next opponent. It's going to be the best formula for each and every team to win whatever they want to win, to achieve whatever they want to achieve this season. But the player training, they sweat a lot and all that.
It's no longer working.
It's no longer going to work.
Yeah,
and at this time, mind lapses, fatigue kicks in. Koloi ya faila brayaka. Koloi tlo bela. If koloi ya bela, ora renga usane koloi utwa ema on the highway rena tlo feta ko N1.
So let me say to Amakhosi, as we say, we are love and peace. Khosi aliphela umoya. We lost, but we didn't lose the position 3 yet. Up to so far, we are convinced. So we need to save it. At least we go to the CAF Confed. So let's meet again. Marava start. We don't know what the outcomes can be, Mara. Because of we saved lots of players, we're gonna get the positive results. Thank you.
Yeah.